Hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Excalibur Roundtable Tech Talk. I am Mike Fuson. We continue our work from home series and the different tips and tricks that we found in making working from home successful. In our last episode, I talked about a good chair. Now, what we really need is we got to think about we are going to be on video conferences. And video conferences present certain challenges for everybody. Not only do you have to look for technologies like your webcam built into your laptop may work, or you may need a webcam that can sit on top of your laptop, and there's tons of manufacturers of these. I recommend reading the reviews. That's what we did. We found some that are relatively inexpensive, like this one I'm holding here. We bought on Amazon. I think they were like $30 a piece, and they have very good and clear video. And have worked exceptionally well. Plug and play, no real big problem. But sometimes what challenge comes in is your lighting conditions. You may look pretty dark when you get on that video conference. So you have to consider what your placement is within the room. So are you backlit by windows? Those windows are going to put light in, which the camera's going to have difficulty dealing with some of the lighting conditions. So depending upon how you need to appear, or if you're doing videos like I'm doing, you may need some helper technologies. You may need something like a ring light. A ring light can be used where the camera can actually be placed behind this and the light can be shown on you, or it could be other technologies like actual lights that can sit on a tripod, and those lights can help light you up. It's going to depend on your situation, what your use case is and your purposes as to whether or not you need some of these helper technologies, but many different ones are out and available, and I hate pitching for Amazon, but they seem to have the largest selection out there of different types of lights with different strengths, and so it's reading the reviews, making sure you're getting what you're going to need to suit your particular purposes. Sometimes something as simple as the ring light and just front lighting you will help counteract some of the background lighting, or maybe having shades on the windows or blinds that you can adjust so it keeps that amount of light from washing you out. But those are key considerations. When I look at it from a work from home perspective, is we've been in this work from home mode now for quite a while, and it is going to extend for most of us for quite a while longer. As we were preparing for our conference that happened over these past couple of weeks, we needed to pre-record some of our videos, and I was working with one of our customers. We were doing a co-presenting, and so we're both sitting at home and doing our recording in order to do that presentation. Now I'm lucky because I'm sitting in a room and I had lights and I was all set up, but they had a little bit of a backlighting condition, so it became a situation of finding the right time of day where we didn't have as much light flooding through the windows that was backlighting my co-presenter and washing him out as a result. So those are all things to consider, especially in that we're now all on video, it seems like, all the time. So take a look at these different technologies, find what works for you. Would love to hear what you found that works as well. You can post them in the comments here on this video. Stay tuned for additional tips for working from home from your friends at Excalibur.